There is a hole in the story of the most famous man who ever lived, and it is 18 years long. We meet him as a baby, we meet him again as a preacher who would change the world, but everything in between is missing. So where did he go? Jerusalem during Passover. The streets are drowning in pilgrims, and a 12-year-old has vanished. For 3 days, his parents tear through the city, calling his name. They find him inside the temple. A child, calmly trading questions with the oldest, wisest man in the room, and everyone is stunned. His mother scolds him, and they take him home to a tiny village called Nazareth. And then he disappears, not from the world, from history. So people fill the silence with legends, secret journeys to India, magic learned in Egypt. But the truth may be stranger because it is so ordinary. His father was a builder, and in a village like this, a son learned by watching, then by helping. The boy became a carpenter too, measuring, cutting, sanding. They worked the building sites nearby, hauling heavy beams beneath the sun. And then sometime in his teens, his father died, and suddenly the boy was the man of the house. He took over the family trade. He provided for his mother and his younger brothers and sisters. He built, he repaired, he kept them alive year after ordinary year. That is the answer history gives us. Not a secret adventure, just a life. 18 years of being a nobody before he became everything. And then one day he set down his tools. He walked out of the village into the wilderness to a river called the Jordan. And there he stepped into the water, and the quiet carpenter became the story the whole world would never forget.